What do we got going on?
The other day during our windstorm that got the chicken church, this little shed that I built a long time ago for the kids' commercial steer project, it blew over too. And I've just kind of neglected it. But today me and old Frederick's gonna get it stood back up. And Mom, I guess.
I'm not doing anything but videoing y'all.
You're the video girl. So here's my plan, guys. I'm gonna make Fred run the skid steer the whole time. I'm gonna hook a chain. I've got these little eyelets here, these little D hooks so I can drag it. I'm gonna hook both sides up and I'm gonna run one end through this pallet forks. That way when she pulls back, it should tilt over and then fall into the pallet forks and not completely slam down and tear as much stuff up. Who knows?
Let's see if that works. Is she a good?
I bet she's in Texas. What's that old boy's name?
Blake Shelton?
Blake. She ain't in Oklahoma, she's in Texas.
Here comes Fred. Fred to the rescue.
Work like a charm.
Now what?
Now we have to go to a commercial break to hook it back up again. All right. All right, let's back up now.
Woo! Success.
It's a little warped.
What, Dad?
It's a little warped, but
Yeah.
not too bad. All right, now we got to get it back across the creek. All right, lower her down. Take me down and love me all night long. That's good. It's good, I said.
Huh? Good job. Welcome back.